Hey YouTube, welcome back. Let's continue with um, If Enemies Smack. We can play this in English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Polish, Portuguese, and Russian. So this is the demo version. Shaman is always unlocked, not unlocked in level 4. Okay. Shaman part of the default team. Nerf of tribal right spells. I have no idea what this means. So let's do the tutorial. This is a kind of like yes, but not necessarily. Like it is, yeah. Click your hero configure button to program their rotation. Okay, so we have a fighter. Drag skills from the library into the hero's rotation. Whenever it's your hero's turn, you will cast the next skill in the loop. Okay, so adds 20 taunt next turn, comes 6 ticks earlier. Adds 15 armor. So if I do bolster, then taunt, then shield bash, and then bash. Okay, save and close. Yeah, I did that. Save and close. Press start to start the dungeon to enter the fight. Start dungeon. Like this one's way less complicated, specifically because it press autoplay. Okay, specifically because it's block based instead of like actual programming based. The last programming game that we played, I believe, was called Terraform. Was more programming than this. So no need to test to nest commands. No, it doesn't feel like it. What was the difficulty? I liked it. As for a tutorial, I guess. Okay, nice. Onward, level 2 is unlocked. Head back to the editor to set up your next fight. Back to the editor. We now also have a priest. Meet the priest. She heals, but she needs to be told when to heal. That's what if statements do. Equipment is linked to the position in dungeon. It's not linked to class. Any class placed here will profit from this equipment. Okay. Open the priest's editor. Click add if author. If to author a condition. And if. Okay. Set the scope to any hero. Any hero. HP below. 50%, then Holy Spark. Oh, and any hero. Parameter to HP, correct. Set the operator to less than, and then type 50. Use Quick Heal. Skills added to the rotation will automatically be used repeatedly in the order they are set, regardless of any conditions. Skills added as an if statement will take priority over skills in the rotation and be used when their specific conditions are met. Learn the difference between the two systems and use them effectively to set up your skills for different situations. Okay. Don't forget to give the priest a rotation too. The if only fires when its condition matches. The rotation is what she casts the rest of the time. The rule means anytime any ally drops below 50 HP, your priest casts Quick Heal. Close the editor and hit Start Dungeon. Okay, but Holy Spark. all enemies. So why does that have a thing? Oh, okay. She needs to be in the last 2 slots. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. All heroes, HP. Then greater heal. And then start dungeon. The not so lone warrior. Okay. You now know rotations and if statements. Real dungeons are awaiting. Okay. So we would start with the Orc encampment. Do you want me to load a simple team comp for you? You can change anything at any time. It contains basic rotation and simple if statements to get you started. Yeah, why not? So we have the fighter, which prefers to be in the first 2 slots, the rogue in the first slot specifically, but can be in the 3rd slot, the shaman in the last 3 slots, and the priest in the last 2 slots preferably, but can be in the 2nd slot if necessary. Okay, so let's see what they do. So they pretty much went 3 times shield bash, 1 times bash. It's not the worst. Yeah, I can see that. Then we have the rogue, which goes for poison stab all the time. If any enemy HP below 30%, which is this, then use execute. Yeah. Cool. Cool. Shaman. 2 times zap to get as many mana back as possible. And then if all heroes HP below 70%, then heal totem. Adds 5 regeneration and 5 thorns. Yeah. Cool. Oh no, this is chain lightning and then zap. Rock slide deals 10 damage next turn, comes 5 ticks later. Okay. 2 frontmost enemies. Okay. And then last but not least, the priest. She does Fog of War and then Holy Spark. So get rid of 15 mana, get 5 mana back. If any hero HP below 50%, then quick kill. Yeah, fair enough, nice. Let's see about this composition. Oh yeah, and autoplay. Okay. this is your loot. Drag and drop this equipment into the hero's chest. This is 5 HP at the start of each of the unit's turns. Choose and continue. All gain 20 mana. That could be useful, because only the fighter has lost health. Or all gain 20 life. Let's get mana. It's more useful. Okay. This is loot. Okay, this gives for extra damage. Let's gain mana. Okay, loot is mine. High damage uses life mana, okay. Unlocked Blood Mage. Oh. Ramping utility tank. Health potion usable through an if statement. Increases potion limit, nice. The dungeon heavy on debuffs. Dungeon that punishes long fights. Okay. So we just unlocked the Riders on the Storm. Yeah, let's start this dungeon. Going a bit faster now, just to see if this just keeps on working for a bit. And the priest does not lose any MP, feels like. Like now it's down, but will it stay down? That's the question. Let's gain mana. Oh, my guy's dead. Okay. Okay, let's do them. Yeah, I'm dead. Okay. Yeah, I get the thing of this game. I should change stuff around and things, but like, yeah. What? How are they doing this with 4 thieves? Like, rogues, sorry. How are they doing this with 4 rogues? Is it literally just trying to get ahead in as fast as possible? Okay, fair enough. Yeah, I'm okay with this game. I'm okay with this game. Yeah, I'm gonna not continue this. Like, this is maybe interesting, but I don't know. Anyway, that being said, for YouTube, see you later. For Twitch, we'll be back in a sec.